Hey guys, Wade here with Georgia Southern Soft Wash Services. So we're going on a little trip today. We're going to go meet with Mr. Leon Johns and we're going to get an upgrade on the trailer. Going to get an AR-45, gas roof pump, Leon's manifold, 18-inch electric reel. We're going to see if we can't step this trailer up to the next notch. For everybody who doesn't know, currently it's I started out, bought a trailer from Southeast Soft Wash with the two 12-volt systems. It's been a great trailer, but in the short amount of time that I've been doing this, I've found myself needing to speed things up a little bit, and the 12 volts just weren't cutting it for me anymore. So I've outgrew it, and want to go to something a little different, something that can give me a little bit of edge over everybody else, maybe in the area. We're excited about the change, about the new equipment. We're just traveling today. Got about a 2.5 hour drive to LaGrange, Georgia, to see Mr. Leon. I think there's a lot of controversy.
At the next stop sign, take a slight right turn.
I think there's a lot of controversy over 12 volts versus gas roof pump. I'm going to say, from my experience with the 12 volts, they seem to be decent. They do what they're intended to do. There's just a couple things about them that I don't really care for. The electrical connections corrode real bad.
At the stop sign, take a slight right turn onto State Route 41.
If you don't rinse them out after every job, the seals in between the motor and the housing, they start to go bad very quickly. The fact that you've got to pull out and use two hoses on every house wash.
6.6 miles, turn left onto East 6th Avenue.
Just a big waste of time in that aspect, in my opinion. A lot of back and forth to the trailer. Just hoping to gain some time out of doing this upgrade. There's every system has its ups and downs, and I'm sure that there will be some things that I don't like about this gas roof pump, but we'll document them as we go and see if we can find something that we do and don't like about it, and try to let everyone know what we find. There's definitely high hopes that this is going to take us to the next level, put us in a different category as far as washing's concerned. I'll feel a lot more comfortable about taking on larger commercial jobs than what I do currently. And then not only that, it's going to allow me, because of the way my trailer was set up with the soft wash system, I was choosing to use the pressure washer to rinse and soaking the house down with the 12 volt. Well, doing that ties up the pressure washer. No one can be doing any kind of flat work, any concrete work. So this here is going to free up and allow me to wash and rinse the houses with one single hose, one system. Push of a button, turn off chemical. Push of a button, turn chemical back on. And that'll free up the pressure washer for somebody to be able to be working on flat work at the same time. So in that aspect, it'll speed it up tremendously. Because I didn't build this trailer, there's only a 200-gallon water tank on there, so there is a little bit of concern about water capacity and how well that's going to work. That's just a time will tell on that one. We'll see when we get going how much trouble we run into. I think we'll be all right for the most part. I'm definitely going to suffer through it this summer. I don't see any reason in making any more big changes right now. So I'm going to suffer through with the 200 gallons for this summer and see how it goes. I've got plans of getting a new rig to add to the current inventory of rigs, and that one definitely will have a larger water tank. I've got 8 gallons per minute right now on pressure washing. Probably on the new trailer we'll jump up to 10, and then trying to make a decision whether I'm going to go with 2 pressure washers or just one. And obviously we'll probably go with the AR45 or the AR60 depending on how this goes between now and this summer. But yeah, that's what we've got going on today. I'll have some more videos here shortly once I get there, and we have some conversation with Mr. Leon Johns and check out his operation and his trailer building plant down here in LaGrange, Georgia. But until then, everybody wash on and be safe.